Hello everyone, and welcome to our look at the rugged and reliable Coleman Trailhead II large folding cot. This heavy-duty gear features a strong steel frame built with a stable and supportive crossbar design. It easily supports adults up to 6 feet 2 inches tall and 300 pounds in total weight. The elevated sleeping surface measures 73 by 35 inches for a truly comfortable night of rest. You can quickly fold the frame down to fit inside most car trunks for very simple gear transport. Use this versatile cot for your next outdoor camping trip or as a spare bed for house guests. Every purchase includes a 1-year limited warranty to ensure your long-term satisfaction with this durable product. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.